This is a bike check from Channing from Lifestyle. So I got these square grooved grips. They come off easily, so I'm going to put some screws and stuff in there. And I got these cotton candy tires. It's a Madmain. I got these plastic pedals, which I need to get new ones. A Madmain gray seat with Madmain carved into it. Another cotton candy seat. And then I got a Splatterfield frame with Madmain stickers on it. And I got a Madmain stem. And then I got a Madmain chain. And then here's another Madmain sticker. And I got Madmain spokes. And then the tires are Logos. And yeah. Peace.